Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are now at Don Quijote. Don Quijote is a discount chain store throughout Japan and in abroad. It is a highly popular since a huge range of products are sold with discounted price. It has an adorable penguin mascot character and a catchy theme song. It is a must-visit shop. Our purpose of visit today is to get a Hanko stamps. We're going to create two Hanko stamp. One with my first name and the other is a last name only. Let's check out the Hanko vending machine here in Don Quijote.
She say small. Make it small. Angelica. Okay lang sa ito? Kasi hindi nakagitna. Let's check. Yun. Angelica. What do you want? This one. Angelica. This one? This one? Sure? Pearl? You want pearl? Pearl. Okay, I will put the money. That's it. You need to wait. It takes time. Check mo na kung Bye ka na lang.
People in Japan do not use their signature on documents, but use their personal stamp called Hanko or inkang. It's a personal seal, and almost every Japanese person has his or her and almost own stamp with a name in kanji letters. Hanko stamps attracts foreigners because it's very unique and original. Hanko stamps with foreign names in kanji letter are sold commonly in Japan and even available in Hanko vending machines. Many Hanko shops offer foreigners to create their own Hanko stamps as souvenirs. What is a Hanko? A Hanko is a seal that is used in place of signatures on official documents and range from cheap, mass-produced plastic items to ornate, handcrafted works of art made with wood, bone, and other materials. Hanko are used by companies, shrines, and temples, and by individuals. Mama! There are three varieties of personal Hanko. Number 1, the Jitsuin is the official registered seal which allow you to sign for significant purchases such as cars and takeout mortgages. This is registered at the owner's local ward office or city hall and comes with a certificate to prove authenticity. Number 2, the Ginkoin or registered bank seal, as the name implies, used for any type of bank business. This includes opening bank accounts, transferring funds, and so on. Number 3, the Mitomain is for personal use. Most often, it will be used for signing off documents at work or put on a delivery receipt when the Takubin guy drops by with a parcel. There are two keywords for Japanese name seal, the Hanko and the Inkang. Hanko is the physical object pressed on the paper to create the seal. They are made of hard materials such as plastic, wood, or ivory, not rubber. While the Inkang is a seal stamp of an individual or an organization's name that is used in place of a signature on documents in Japan. History of Hanko in Japan. The culture of using seals dates back to 5th millennium BC Mesopotamia. It reached Japan by AD 57, though it's likely it was even earlier, but there is historical evidence from at least that year. After the Taiho Code in 701, the imperial began using Hanko for important contracts. Each emperor has a specific seal created especially for them. So as Japan crossed over from the Heisei era into the Reiwa era in 2019, the new emperor accepted this unique personal seal. The aristocracy started getting seals made by the late Nara period around 750, and samurai got into the game during the Kamakura period and beyond. It wasn't until the Meiji period that the Hanko became widely used by Japanese nationals across the country. The reason was a law that enforced a unified national system of certification, which finally allowed the general public to use their own personalized Hanko. So the Hanko has now become a culture item passed down from generation to generation and is an important item for Japanese people to confirm their will and responsibility in everything that's signed between the government, corporation, and individuals. A couple of years ago, big orange Hanko vending machines started popping up at various Don Quixote shops, with the shop even claiming it to the world first machine of its kind. So if you are in a major Japanese city, you'll most likely find a donkey shop because they are popular among tourists and locals alike, selling souvenirs, novelty items, and whatever you might need at a competitive price. So these machines have become popular all over Japan. Most of them are very easy to maneuver and require little or no Japanese ability, as they are user-friendly and self-explanatory. So you can have or you can get a souvenir from these machines, and if you don't want to spend a lot of money buying that souvenir. How to make a hanko with a vending machine? So prices of hankos starts as low as 500 yen, and easy machine instructions enable you to make a hanko in a matter of minutes. Although these hankos are popular among tourists, they are also a good way to save money if you need a personal seal to start your life in Japan. Not only are they convenient in that you will have it minutes later, they also let you have full control of the design process. So the machine has several options for materials and fonts, ranging from very cheap to more expensive options. They offer the most common material types like plastic, wood, and bone. So the sizes ranges from 10.5 millimeter to 15 millimeter in diameter. So the size of 13.5 millimeter is a good size if you are to use your hanko for banking and document purposes. As a souvenir, any size will be good depending on your budget. So the smallest size in plastic is the cheapest and fastest option, taking around 5 minutes to make. So once you have decided what material and size you want, you can choose the font you want your seal to be in. So this specific machine has 3 different fonts to choose from: Tensho style, Kiso style, and Coin style. All very common Hanko fonts, with the first two being extremely popular, so you can preview all fonts with the desired name on the screen before inserting your money. This machine has an option of katakana, kanji, and romanized characters. If you don't know how to transcribe your name to Japanese, several websites can do it for free. So once you have typed the desired name in the chosen font, you will now be able to adjust the size of it and then choose your material. Then you will insert your money, you'll quickly get your hanko piece from the machine and ask to insert it in the right side, where the machine will engrave your name on the stick. This process takes at least 5 minutes, depending on material type. But after that, you are good to go with your own Japanese hanko. Aside from the hanko vending machines in Don Quixote, there are many Hanko stamps stores also here in Japan. You can find them near some tourist spots, and the cheapest you can get it from the different 100 yen shops here in Japan. Have fun creating your own Hanko stamp here in Japan as a souvenir. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.